Hope everyone is doing safe and nice. So today we will see on how to access your yoga class through our website. So this video is of two portions. The first portion is on how to access it through a laptop or a computer. Second portion you'll find on how to access this class through a mobile or a tablet. So first let us understand on how to access this through a computer or a laptop. So I am giving this demonstration using a Mac operating system. If in case you are using the Windows operating system, there will be no change except the view that you are seeing on the desktop. So in any case, you have to go to the Google Chromecast. It works the best on the Google Chromecast. So as soon as you open the Chromecast, the first thing you have to validate is whether your Chromecast is updated. So for that, you will go into these three dots on the top right corner and click on that help button and click this about Google Chrome. So now it is checking for the updates and how to. So it says Google Chrome is up to date. If in case it's not updated, it will prompt you to update your Google Chrome browser. So it is good to have the latest browser where all the compatibility issues can be sorted out. So now I'm going to open a new Google Chromecast browser and access our website, which is www.navyoga.yoga, and I click on the enter button. So it is now taken me to the home page. So this is our world class yoga website, and you can find all the relevant information about our classes. Many other informations are available. What do we teach and what is the style of the yoga that we are teaching. And basically the top portion is where you have all the menu options. So I go to the members area, where is this is basically the place where you access your class. So I click on the members area, then it is opening up a new tab. So here there are two options. Either you can sign in or you create an account. So being a first time user, let us see how to create your own account. So I click on this create an account. It will take you to a form which you have to fill up, and all these details are mandatory. So I am entering these details, and you have to set up your password. So if you notice here, this now turned from red very weak to medium. So the minimum criteria for you to set up the password is medium, because any weak password it doesn't allow. We have deliberately chosen this safety measure considering that your email ID and your phone number are there in the website. So I have not given the full email ID. Now I've given the full email ID. So ensure that the password turns at least to be medium. Only then it will allow you to enter the remaining details. And you have to give your first name, last name. So I have to give you some nickname and then the phone number. And then I have to agree the terms of service, and you can leisurely go through these terms of service once you get time. And then click on this and create account. So once this is done, it says before you can log in, you need to confirm your email address via the email we just sent you. So this is one more measure that we want to validate because these are all the genuine users, and we want to ensure only the genuine user get the access to the website. So I go to my email ID that I have just given there, log in with that to my Gmail, and it is asking my password. Go to the email account. This is where you see the the mail that I have received from the website. It says Navyoga members area, activate your account. I click on this mail, and there is a link inside the email. So click on that link. And once you click on that link, it opens up in a new browser and it says activation key. So you don't have to change anything. You just click on this activate button. Once you click on that button, you will get a confirmation now your account is active, and you can click on the login button. So before we go to the login, one more step I will show you in your email. If in case you don't find the email in the inbox, just check once in your yeah, in this case I don't have a, yes, go to the spam folder. All right, go to your spam folder and just check once. Unlikely it might go to spam, but if in case you're not able to find it in the inbox, the second option maybe it would have landed up in the spam. All right, so now we have got account activated, and then I click on the login button. So now I have to give my account details, naveen.kohli.demo.yoga. Here I have to give a full email account because whatever I gave in the past should be the same. So I type my password. If you choose, you can click on remember me and then click on login. So once you log in, you're successfully there in your members area, and this is your home page, the members landing page, and there are the top the menu options, and here is your user information. All that you can go a little later. You can set up a very beautiful photo of yours. So the class for you to access, this is where you go to. You go to my groups, but before going to my groups, let me show you something. So when you go to your shop, assume that you are a first time user. Considering that you are a first time user, these are all our yoga memberships, and most of our students are yearly subscription. So I am showing this demonstration on a yearly yoga membership. So I go to yearly yoga classes and then click on the select option, and then you have to choose your time. So be a little careful about choosing the time, because whatever the time that you choose, you will be added into that particular group. So if in case you want to change your class in the future, absolutely it is possible. You just have to contact your yoga teacher. They will help you to change your class. For now, choose what time you want to attend. Say that we are going to attend the 5:30 a.m. class. I choose that option and then click on sign up now. Now it will be added into your cart. So you go to view cart option and then you click on the proceed checkout. This is the standard online shopping that you do. So you're all, I'm sure, very familiar. You must have done so much of online shopping, so much explanation is not needed. So you have to just enter your details. This is because the billing address may be different from the details that you have given in the initial page. So you have to set up your city, phone number, first name and the last name. There are two options. One is you pay by card, debit or net banking, or you pay by master or visa card. You can choose any option that works for you. Once you click on the sign up now button, it will take you to a payment gateway. So all these options are there: card, UPI, net banking, wallet, EMI. So the good news is that you also have an EMI facility. You can use the EMI. You also have a pay later option. If your bank allows this, you can use this pay later option. So for now, let us not go through this because we're not going to make the payment anyway now. So for you, maybe you continue paying the transaction, the standard format. So now it says customer cancel the payment, right? Because obviously we have not entered the card details, and then we have not used it. So sometimes there may be offers that you will get to know. You can use the coupon by just have a coupon. You enter the coupon and apply it. So based on the coupon amount, it will reduce. Now I'll go back to my home page. So click on the logo. You'll be taken back into the home page, the landing page. So the area that you next have to be going into is your my groups. So if you go to my groups, for me it says, sorry, there were no groups found. Is obviously because I have not made the payment one and I am not added into any groups. So only a successful payment will get enabled to be added into any particular group. So we will see this view on how to access your class after the subscription is done. So here my cart still shows as one because I have not made the payment and it continue to appear in my cart. So let's not go to that for a moment. So what I will do, I will come back to this place again after my subscription is paid and after my group is being added. After the subscription is done, the group is being added. Let us see how to access your class. Now you go to members area. So we have left it at the payment. So we have made the payment now. So subsequently, after the payment, the group is being added. Now, once your group is being added, you will probably would have got a notification. So in the notification, if you see, you have an invitation to the group. So the 5:30 a.m. is what I have taken the subscription, and I click on this invitation, and you'll have to accept to join the class. So I click on accept. Now once that is accepted, and you'll go to your my groups, and it says loading. So this is where you have your yoga class 5:30 a.m. IST. So this is the class that I have subscribed to. So how to access my class? Now you'll simply come to my groups and click on this yoga group 5:30 a.m. class, and you have the option called join class. You'll click on this join class. Now that's it. You land up into this page where it says yoga class 5:30 a.m. It is showing 15 hours 39 minutes because this class is going to happen tomorrow morning again. So there are two check boxes here. One is to keep your screen active. So few users have come back with the feedback that while they were in the session, the system gets locked. So we have put this button. So the moment you click on this button, you will be always, the system will not get locked. And here, once this timer is 0, you'll get a button to join, and once you click on that button, you'll go into the class, or you can just refresh the page after that 5:30 is over. Most likely it is not required to be refreshed. It will turn into join now. So you click on the join now button, it will open up your class. So this is how simple how to attend your class through the website. And one more important area that you have to look at is the account details, where all your personal data is stored: your first name, last name, your display name, your email ID, and this is where you will change your password. And on the left side, in your accounts area, there is something called subscriptions. If you click on your subscriptions, this is what you see. One is on hold, one is active. On hold because I cancel the payment, active because I made the payment, right? And you go to your membership, go to my membership. So the membership I have is yoga session 5:30 a.m. and with the screen lock active. So on the subscriptions, if you go to the active subscription and click on view, so this is where you will see the payment is done on June 2nd, 2021. So because I've taken a yearly subscription, now this subscription is valid until June 2, 2022. So all those details, how did you make the payment, the transaction details, every detail is available here. So this is simple how to access your class, and after that you can simply click on the logout button. Now we will see on how to access the yoga class through your mobile or a tablet or even iPad. Remember, it requires the updated Google Chromecast browser. So you may please need to visit the Play Store or Apple Store, type in the search box as Google Chrome and see if it has to be updated. So in my case, my browser is already updated. So I go to Google Chrome, type the address. The website is already come. I just type that. And once I go to the website, this is the area that you have to visit on, the 3 lines. And remember, you have to type the complete URL only in the address bar, not in the search box in the middle of the screen. So here you might be able to only see up to contact us, and to go to the members area, you just have to simply have to scroll up a bit. So you see the members area here, you click on the members area. And on the top left corner, you have this 3 lines, and you go to my groups. And you find the group that you are assigned to, click on that yoga group 5:30 a.m. and then click join class. That's it. Once the counter becomes 0, you will get a button to join. You click on that, you go to your class. So it's pretty easy. This is, you can avoid going into WhatsApp, scrolling up and down, taking the meeting IDs and the passwords. And please do log in through the website. This is also to create a personal space inside the web browser, so that you don't have to look at your paper slips your subscription details are available, you know how to pay, how did you pay, whether through a card, bank. So for a future reference, everything is over the database, and you don't have to really look at here and there or call us. Please do access the website and go through the members area to access your class. If at all you have any technical problem, please don't hesitate to contact me, that is Naveen, or you please contact Jyoti. Whoever is can solve, we will immediately get back to you, and we will also take the technical help if required to ensure that you have a smooth transaction to access your class. See you all in the next classes. Bye bye.